Hello friends, welcome to TrendTechGuide. Today I'll show you how to solve the problem of always screen on Android phone. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my phone. Now over here my screen is always turned on. Now to solve this problem, first of all I'll tap on this setting. And now over here you'll find this display. And now tap on this display, and after that just scroll down, and now over here you'll find this screen timeout. If you can't find this display, you can simply search from here screen timeout, and after that tap on this screen timeout and you'll find this screen timeout. Tap on this, and now over here you can see it's set to keep the screen turned on. That means this screen is always turned on. And now you can find here screen turns off automatically after how many seconds or minutes. Now I'll go with this 1 minute. And now you can see over here screen timeout is set to 1 minute. That means after 1 minute my screen will be automatically turned off. So in this way we can solve the problem of always screen on Android phone. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.